Ever wondered about the benefits of having an indoor herb garden? Well, the answer might surprise you. Not only can an indoor herb garden provide fresh, flavorful herbs for cooking, but it also offers a multitude of health benefits. These miniature green spaces can purify the air, reduce stress levels, and even provide home remedies for common ailments. Embarking on the journey to start an indoor herb garden can seem daunting, but with a few simple steps, anyone can cultivate a lush, aromatic indoor garden. To begin, decide on the herbs to grow. Popular choices include basil, parsley, thyme, mint, and rosemary. These herbs are not only culinary favorites but are also known for their medicinal properties. Next, select a location for the garden. Most herbs thrive in sunny spots, so a south-facing window is an ideal location. No sunny window? No problem. Many herbs can grow well under fluorescent lights or special plant lights. Now, it's time to choose the containers. Remember, herbs don't like to sit in water, so ensure that the pots have good drainage. Clay pots are a great choice as they allow the soil to breathe. The choice of soil is critical. A light, well-draining potting mix is ideal for most herbs. Some gardeners like to mix in a little perlite for extra drainage. Once the herbs are potted, water them thoroughly and place them in their chosen location. It's important to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which is the death knell for many indoor plants. After a few weeks, the herbs will start to grow. At this point, it's time to start harvesting. Don't be shy about snipping off leaves or stems. Regular harvesting encourages the plants to produce more foliage. Finally, don't forget to feed the herbs. A balanced, water-soluble fertilizer applied every 2 weeks can keep the herbs healthy and productive. In summary, starting an indoor herb garden involves a few key steps. First, decide on the herbs to grow. Then choose a sunny location and appropriate containers. Next, pot up the herbs in a well-draining soil mix, water thoroughly, and place in the selected location. Regular harvesting and feeding will ensure a healthy, productive garden. The benefits of starting an indoor herb garden are manifold. Fresh, aromatic herbs are always at hand for cooking. The air is purified, stress levels are reduced, and a natural pharmacy is just a snip away. With such compelling reasons, why not start an indoor herb garden today? After all, it's easier than you might think. So roll up those sleeves and get ready to delve into the world of indoor gardening. It's a journey that promises to be as rewarding as it is enjoyable.